You can do it.
What's going on, people? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. My name is D-Waz.
I'm Dion, and we are
5 Foot Fitness.
dun dun dun.
But today we are not very fitness because what have we got here today, Dion?
Well, basically we're doing a Dominos eating challenge, but nothing too mental. We've challenge. Every single episode I've done that. Episodes, it's like a series. Every single episode I go like, bruh. But anyway, I don't know why as well. I think I'm like bad man. So basically, we've got a medium pizza each, nothing mental, but we're literally just gonna see who can eat the fastest, and that is it. That's the challenge. Hopefully, we don't even have to edit. There is absolutely no way in hell.
Might happen.
There's no way. If you guys have been watching any of our eating challenges right now, if we could do like a poll, you guys better be voting for me.
There's a first time for everything, guys. Don't stop trying until you've got the win that you deserve.
Yeah, but this isn't your first time. Well, yeah, this is not your time. So
I was gonna drink that.
Oh, there's mushrooms on there. Well, that's not too bad. I mean, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine with it.
I'm mutual with mushrooms.
I don't care.
I didn't ever used to.
I
be
eat
mutual.
everything. Apart from
I never used to be mutual with mushrooms.
The only thing I don't like, but it's a condiment, so
I'm gonna start to just separate them a little
English
bit.
mustard, if anyone you care.
That's not a condiment. We've been through. Oh yeah, wait, it is.
Yes, it is. Yeah, who's wrong? Yeah, that's right.
No, I'm normally right. We've got meat feast. All right, and we've got garlic dip. Yeah, should we get these open?
Yeah.
Get these open.
Oh shit.
Did you do what I did? Yeah. It's the same.
Oh no. Rules of the game.
Well,
there's no really.
There is no rules with this. It's literally who can eat the fastest. So.
Why is that not? Right.
Well, because I've got to press it, but I don't want to be at a disadvantage, so I'm gonna have one ready in my hand.
Nah.
You mean no?
All right.
all right. Okay. I need to see the start button.
Wait. You gotta say 3, 2, 1. You can't.
Oh, I will. I promise. Wait for me.
All right.
Alright.
I'll say go. Yeah, I'll wait till you
No,
say
I'm
go.
wait. I'm saying you go.
Yeah, I know.
You can't see when I'm pressing it. Your eyes. That's so not fair.
Hurry up.
Right. I'm just gonna make you wait. Alright, no, we've got to be ready. Are you ready? Alright. 3. No, you're not ready.
I am ready.
No, why are you laughing then? Okay, no, because this happens every single
Hurry
time.
up.
We go to eat it and then we start laughing. And it affects the time. Right, 3, 2, 1, go.
We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard, and I wonder where you are.
It's so dry.
Tastes good though.
You're too curious, maybe you should take it slow and steer.
What's that noise? Like with anything, practice.
Maybe you should take it slow. We're dreaming in the dark. We're nothing more than dust. You search for you, stay lost.
It's just the jaw that hurts. Not right for them.
We're making this too hard, and I wonder where.
The crust is so thick.
It's so dry.
Yeah. It's definitely the crust at the hardest bit. Oh my god, you're actually doing quite good. Oh my god, that's right.
Reaching for the stars.
Oh no. You can do it. You can do it.
We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for.
Oh, come on, man. Oh,
Sabotaging.
right. Ah, you did really good. I'm proud of you. Yay. Over. That is good. See, he's getting better,
I'm
people.
getting better, guys.
This is what happens when you practice. You come to our channel and you learn how to eat. D-Waz is doing good.
I'm showing you guys how to be is that a word? Persevere?
No.
But that doesn't make it is a word, but not in that way. I'm showing you guys how to be consistent. You got to keep up with your challenges, and one day you will win. I'm
Persistent. That's the word you were looking for.
Yeah.
5 minutes 30, bro. Did I do that in sub 5 minutes? I'm proud of myself. That definitely doesn't want to stay up.
Anyway, thank you guys very much. Thank you.
Naughty D-Waz.
Thank you very much for watching, guys.
Like, comment, subscribe. Let us know if you enjoyed the video. What other eating challenges you would like to see? If you think you can beat the time, let us call us out.
Call us out. Let us know. Post a video. We'll watch it.
And we'll see if you're worthy.
I mean, I haven't technically finished mine, so.
I'll watch it.
But yeah.
Alright. Enough
Anyway.
of the giffy gaffle gobble.
Thank you very much for watching.
Thank you very much.
We'll see you in the
Tonight.